Good morning, guys. We are just waking up. It's 4:30 in the morning, and today we have a special kind of shooting day. We're going to go to Richmond Park, which is just outside and west of London, and we're taking our electric bicycles there to see if the battery can last us the way there and the way back, and everything will be fine. So very exciting. I'm gonna be doing some wildlife photography and giving you the best advice that you can do and you can follow when photographing animals, and we'll see. I'm pretty excited. I think we're gonna get pretty nice shots. So let's jump on the road and see you in the park. So it's around 7 in the morning and we have finally made it to Richmond Park. I still have like 82% battery, which is like super cool. We're gonna be going around the park trying to find the deers or actually any type of animal that we can find around to try to get some nice photos. The light is a bit overcast, so it's like pretty soft light. We'll see what we can create and make something interesting of today. We have found a spot just right back there. We have a deer that we're gonna photograph. He's gonna be our first model of the day. I'm going to be using the 70-200mm Canon lens. It's the Mark III. It's a 2.8 lens aperture, and things to keep in mind when you're photographing wildlife is first the shutter speed. As we're using very long focal distances, the shutter speed has to be quite fast. Generally, I apply the rule that I multiply the millimeters of the lens for the double of the shutter speed. Let's say I'm using a 200mm lens and I'm zooming all the way to 200, then I will use 1/400 minimum as the shutter speed to get sharp shots. Also, that this is a 2.8 aperture lens, it doesn't mean that you have to shoot all the way stop down. You can shoot at f4 or f5.6 to get a little bit more of depth of field, and you get a little bit more leeway for the focus of the camera. I'm gonna be shooting with my Canon 1DX Mark II, which is kind of specifically designed for this kind of photography. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's see what the shots that I can get, and let's get shooting, guys. So first attempt fail, but we find a pack with a bunch of other ones. Let's try now before they were just running away from me. I think this one is gonna be a good chance. They're all lying down and the light is quite nice. It's coming from back there, so let's see what I can get. So I think we got the shot, or one of the shots I'm looking for. The light is very soft, it's diffused by clouds, so it's like kind of coming in, but the sun is just rising and it's like this very nice morning glow. I want to see the edited photos. I'm super excited to get home and just get working on those photos. For now, we're gonna keep cycling. We're gonna go to another spot and try to find maybe more deers or maybe another animal around and try to get some more photos. But meanwhile, let's just go and ride. So we're done filming here at Richmond Park. I got the shot that I was looking for, and well, what an amazing experience today in the morning. It feels like we're traveling just 1 hour away from London, and it's super easy to get here in the bikes. We woke up really early to get that nice morning light, and now we're heading to Kingston to get some more photos. So I will give you some more tips next in Kingston. So before riding back to London, the video has come to an end. It was an amazing morning capturing the animals in the park. It was great to get out of London. This definitely feels like outside of England. Like it feels like I'm completely in a trip. So it was a very nice experience. Just to recap, when using very long lenses like for wildlife photography, remember that you don't have to shoot fully open at 2.8, that you have to have very fast shutter speed to make sure that you're gonna get the sharp shot, and enjoy your time. That's the best part of it. Just enjoy your time and have fun creating. Subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like it, and leave me a comment if you have any doubts about how to use long lenses or any settings that you have in your camera. Just give me a shout, and see you in the next one.